Nel Meyer, representing the Boland Ladies Open side, as one of the skips in the upcoming interdistricts. JBA is hosting this event and our team will be playing at Bedfordview, Belgravia, Old Bucktonian and Morningside in the red section. It is an honor and a privilege to introduce my teammates, Arietta Whiteman, my third, Petulia Fortuin, my second, and Linda Stringer, my lead. For me, winning together is a collaboration of commitment, desire, talent, preparation and hard work that unifies a team to achieve its goals. Furthermore, I wish all the teams playing well and let bowls be the winner. Take good care and see you on the green.